What's up, guy? Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Hello baby here. Thank you for the love and support. Thank you for the new subscriber. I want to appreciate on that. So first thing, let's thank Almighty God for giving us this chance for today to see another day like this, and maybe night time to see the next day after tomorrow, guys. It's true about God. I want to appreciate on that. And guys, if you are new here, you can subscribe to my channel. Every day I wanna got a new subscriber, a new member from YouTube channel. You can subscribe, guys. That's the best way to support Hello Baby Official, by watching my full length videos and don't skip ads. And today this video starts from Nyabuhanse here, Nyabuhanse village to Dewal. From this I'm heading to my friend's party. Is one guy who fixed my smart screen on the wall, although it's 32 inches, but who made it possible. I want to thank you a million. He was the guy who fixed my TV or smart screen on my wall, like this one here. And then I was going there to attend that party. So it's a small party, and the good thing about our village here, if you are invited, you can attend that party, man. It's not bad. You can attend. It's no problem. You can attend, man, for sure. And then you're ready to go. So guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming. So I'm starting from here. I'm heading to my friend's party. So the good thing about our village here, when, like, for example, slaughter some goat and make some small party, when I'm inviting 3 people, like 100 people comes. That's the good thing about our village here, and all of them must be served, you know. So guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming. So guys, this is how I cook in the village. And guys, this is the cooking stick. No. Type. Alright, let's go.
Hi guys.
Sasa kumwaya kwa abantu sasa ni sumacho tu tunataka sumacho ya kutema santito ya toka hapo ndani sasa.
Alright, guys, this is the fire in Africa here. We use 3 stones, and then this is the ugari. Uwe, takiore, faza, ukiukunya. Look at this, man.
Is it
They're trying maybe.
is a soda and
Soda?
Coca-Cola?
No.
Yeah.
Let me see.
See.
Oh, not this alcohol, guys. Let me show you, guys. This alcohol.
And is it cooking?
It's called busa. It means from
Nyambare
from sorghum, and then when you take a lot, your body will take reaction, man. Like you queen.
Ekin ko bano chini chumesa monga.
Okay. So let's go. Alright, guys, this is the ugari. So I'm doing like this. 1 on 1. Alright, so that's why they're cool. Okay. So let's have some helper here. Look at this. Hey, pick up this one. So you turn until change. So guys, for today we have African village celebration here, and it's good to celebrate, you know. So if I could know earlier, I will enjoy a lot. That's Kata ugali. Alright. Si lazima tunaweza ongea Kikuyu. She feeling headache, saying sorry. Alright. Tai huru bukime. So you know the African village, they're really waiting ugali. You know we have another one. These small intestines, peeling it. Alright. Okay, let me show you another one. You see people waiting here. Look at this. People are still waiting here. Alright. Hey. Another beautiful day, man. So after this, we have the loo right there. So you can go there and support yourself or be excused. So you have another beautiful trees here. You can't see. Look at this. So guys, let me know in the comment section what do you think. Alright. You know, hey, Kapa. Hey, that's too much happened. You see like this, man. This is my grandbaby. This is my grandfather here. So they are celebrating a party in this compound. Yeah. Taambika hello.
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 Say hello guys.
Hello guys.
Ekiore. Njoo huku. Ekiore. Acha na fara kuma. Ekiore. Kuma ngone kanori. So ipatini kuendere nyame hei. Nyame hei. So I'm asking about him, the meat. Okay, story for another day. So guys, people are really enjoying here, waiting. You can see from the far end, people are really waiting. Alright. Yes. These are the beautiful flowers you can see. Called pine. Look, we have here lemon. Alright. This whole party. Okay, it's party after party, man. This is how real village looks like. Look at this. You're really motivating me. Go that way. And then guys, this is what you call semi-permanent in our village here. You know. So you know some village here they fear camera. Look at this. Look at this. They look like Maasai. Look. After I told you they take some breweries, traditional alcohol made of flour, and then it's fermented. When you take it, your body starts reacting. Look at this.
Yeah.
You see? After taking African alcohol, the body starts reacting. Hey, Shiva. Hey, she was totally full. And guys, he really waiting food, and then this is the reaction of reaction of alcohol.
Yeah.
It's all about. Uko poa?
Yeah.
Leo usoki tuonekana ngambo. So I'm telling him about today, live.
Yeah.
I imagine they want to take about to America, Jamaican. So keep watching these videos, subscribe. I'm trying to show you how village lifestyle continue, man. Look at this. Alright, have another one here.
What up,
Yes,
boys?
the owner of this house, man, and she didn't finish up. He remained with like 3 iron sheets to finish up, maybe 3 to 5, you know, to put some gathers here. Me, I'm just showing you. You can see, you can tell people the gathers right here. Maybe I don't understand. You can see from here, go there, and then the whole house. Alright, let me show you the difference between gathers and others. You can see. You can see the difference. So the difference is this one here. You can see. Go that way and then branch. You can see this house doesn't have gathers. Oh man, it's all about. It's all about. You can see. And then there are trains. They're really trying to make a good latrine. Maybe it's 2 rooms. It's okay, you know. Not too much washroom and some loos. It's okay. You can see. So after maybe taking food, when you feel you are full and then you want to read something, you can excuse yourself here. Village toilet, man. So this is what we call semi-permanent, man. And you have some people inside here. You can see they try to seal some windows, doors. See people are enjoying. Wow, and others are coming, man. Alright, guys, see how village are hanging some clothes. This one here, and then this is the wired, you can see, and then this how hang some clothes, and this is some small grass here. Maybe guys you wanna chill like this and enjoy. Hi. You know? Hi. Yeah. Say hi.
John Owen.
John Owen, man. What's your name, man? John Owen. So his name is John Owen, and that small kid is Bakken. Bakken who?
Bakken Johnny.
Bakken Junior. Bakken Junior. Now Owen. Owen John. So we have Bakken John. Owen John. Alright, so guys, I'm sitting here in this beautiful grass and maybe relaxing. And let me take you out. Yeah. So you wanna pass like this. So take the views of outside of the village, man. And then wow, look. It's amazing. And then we have here some maize. Look at this. Some beans. This is the line of maize and then beans. Go that way. So they reminds me go back to the farm. I'm still continuing going back to the farm and prepare my land and then planting something else, maybe to get profit. And then this year, maybe on September, my brother, they wanna join university, so I'm really trying my best to work hard and then support him, maybe buying laptop and then all stuff, you know. So I want to support my mom right now. So for sure, me guys, I'm thinking about on September period, I wanna buy my brother a good laptop, maybe for 40,000 Kenyan money. I would buy for my brother. So it's depend my hard working, maybe going to my farm like this. So maybe when I have like 20 bucks of maize corn, I will set and then get profit. I buy my brother's laptop for sure. So I take you outside. You can see. And this village, they really motivate me. Look at me. Alright. Alright. Babu, Pepe, this is the father of this family. Father of this family. Small time and then. Alright, meat, guys. Look. So I'm really struggling myself. I have artificial teeth, and then how do you manage this stuff? You know. So I'm just like escorting my friend to join the party and then ready to go. Me, I'm okay, guys. Do you introduce, bro? Do you have a YouTube channel?
Hi, my name is Magoswani from Kenya.
Don't put your move your hands from there.
Yeah. Welcome my YouTube channel. Thank you.
Can you guys go and check Megozone from Kenya? He made a good videos. Look at this. Where's your man? Is this one? Alright, let's bring some water. Wapatia omad. Look. So this is how it will be served, man. Look. Wow. And then after this, alright, they wanna enjoy. Look. Alright, you enjoy, man. Me, I'm okay. So I'm sitting on this corridor here, watching my friend eating, because guys, I have artificial teeth. I don't want to mislead my teeth, man, you know. So I'm taking care about it. So look how village enjoys. So let me show other people. Villagers. You are villagers, man. You're not a born town. Hey, again. If you know the stingo guys from the village here. They do like this and then roll and then do. Hey. Look, people are enjoying. Hi. Oh. Zimango Mazak. Yes. I don't want like copyright in my videos. I see how.
So we are eating.
One on one.
We're eating rice with matumbo.
So matumbo is small intestine, guys.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
Rice.
Hi guys. I'm Rindima.
So it depends the food stuff which you wanna like. Maybe ugali, rice, ready to go.
Or anything.
Or anything.
John Skalu.
After this, maybe you have a small disco dancing.
And we have little drinks.
Okay, you must have water. For direct absorption of food. For his movement.
Interesting.
And guys, we have one guy from, maybe it look like Jamaican.
Hi guys, what a guan. My name is Mwana. People used to call me Mike, but I'm Mwana. I'm in Morgan's place.
Morgan is right. It's the all of this house,
Also,
guys. You can see direct from the sun. No iron sheet from other part. Here is some polythene paper. That one here.
So Morgan is my friend. He had told me to come and take something from his home. So here I am. When you go to my page, go to Mwana.
On YouTube page.
On YouTube page, go to Mwana. So people like Marwa, they're my friends. People like Mayuguno, they're my friends. And even you, you're my friend.
Yes, guys, I remember my past video when tried to hire some tuk-tuk. I messed this guy. So maybe sorry. Next time I will hire. For sure. Yes. He made our dreads, guys. He looked like a Jamaican.
This mine. They're not fake.
It's artificial hair.
Yeah, this artificial. They're not fake, man. You know, you see them.
It took you how many years?
This thing, I started when it was on 2017.
2017.
Yeah.
So right now it's 2024. Maybe 7 years.
Yeah, 7 years.
So guys, even me, I'm trying to do something like
so this is original, not fake. Yeah, this is mine. And I'm proud of this.
Okay, alright, enjoy. Hey, Johnny. Skalu on YouTube page.
Skalu.
Okay, the owner of this house.
Also underscore KE.
So guys, let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this? Maybe it's a celebration, maybe it's a party. I want to know in the comment section. Look. Wow. Alright, the good thing about our village here, when you wash your hands from this stuff and then this react like spoons, no spoons here. So and
we use hands.
It depends your speed.
Take this.
This is the best spoon ever.
You take like that, then
this is the best spoon ever.
You didn't do my inside.
Alright.
Inakulika Buddha. Maintain.
Alright. Mawe. Nipe wali mwana nikule mimi sikuragi nyama. So let me try rice, guys. I don't. Yamba imuki. My grandpa, they request some videos. Niankimuki. Soccer. Etaragara once. Uwe. Ragara once. They need videos, but I don't want to disturb some elders when eating. I don't like, I don't mind. All right, what am I to? So I was accompanied with these two guys here, and then I was charging my phone from Kenya. Megazone from Kenya. I was charging them my phone. So even right now I'm waiting him to finish. They have paper, red one, that one here. Alright, so guys, enjoy this video, give more like and subscribe. Let me know what you think about in the comment section, guys. It's amazing. It's amazing, man. It's amazing, man. Look like this. They're really painting these stones maybe for attracting colors, but according to me, when this stone is mine, I wanna paint the color of Jamaican, maybe red, green and black. So guys, let's know about the flag of Jamaica, those colors. I wanna paint it like this one and then look very nice. Wow. My food, imagine. What's up, guys? Imagine the whole of this. So me, guys, I like rice. That one here. So maybe I wanna sit somewhere enjoying. So maybe I wanna sit this point here. I'm okay. This is my food. So let's taste, guys. Sorry for the maybe sun. I taste. Guys, so nice. And then maybe these kids are shocked what I'm doing here. So after this, I'm ready to go. Then I do like this. Hey, the good thing about our village here, when one family made some party, the whole villagers, they wanna attend that party. If you could be invited or not yet, you must attend. All right, let's enjoy, guys. Hello. They wanna see what they shocked about. I'm recording myself and eating. Look. All right. Hello. Take the smell of that baby. The smile of that baby, man. She look very beautiful, man. I love the village babies, man. Look at that one, another one here. Wow. So let's enjoy my food and then ready to go. Well, enjoy. So guys, let me say thank you, bro. It's good to say thank you. When people served you food and you are not being invited, you wanna say thank you, bro. Yes, me, I'm leaving, man. So I'm going to check maybe my phone and ready to go. You see, after the party ended, after the mission completed, direct home. This is how I normally do in Africa, especially the villagers boy like me. When I'm ready to finish eating, ready to go, mind my own business. Look at this. Look at this village. They really are developing, man. So I'm thinking about, guys, when I'm start maybe moving around the village, I'm seeing how people building the house, like that one right there. So maybe I'm looking the good house, which can require a lot of material, maybe to build my mom's house. So I'm thinking about that house right there. You can see right there. So it's not too big, it's not too small, medium there. So it has kitchen. When that house was being constructed, I was around there. So it has one kitchen, one living room, 2 bedroom and master bedroom 3. And it's big, not big much. All right, so I'm heading to Nyabuhanse after guys finishing maybe eating. I'm ready to go. We have banana plantation right here. We have that one right there. So I'm moving. And maybe guys, when you were watching my videos, my yesterday videos, I was taking my sister to school. So this is the route that's going to schools, Nyabuhanse. And then when you go that way, you're going home. Yeah. So imagine, I'm coming from far. Coming from far. You see, after the party ended, the people keep going. We have another guy is going to the river, maybe fetching water. And it's evening time.
Hello guys.
Babe. Okay. Okay. Enjoy. So just a minute guys, I want to show you the school that my sister landing, and then he also me. Okay. Hey. All right, it is what it is. I'm just moving on, and guys, focus on, man. Moving on, positive vibes. Always. You have right here some shop, small shop. You have another one here. This is the shop here, the church. If you are keen guys watching my full length of the video, this is the church. And when I'm young, I was playing here football when this church will not be completed. I was playing inside, and maybe when it's too late, I'm hiding inside. It's remind me when I was a kid. When I'm coming, it's too late in the morning. I'm hiding right here. So imagine. Some goats are grazing. Look, it's grazing alongside the road. It's so beautiful, man. So this is the church. Wow. Wow. All right, so this is the school. Yesterday I was taking my sister here and paying the school fees for my sister. Right. Look at this, man. Hey. This video, it's a special video, guys. A special video. So this is the school that I brought my sister yesterday, and this is the name of that school, Reverend David Advesco. I was learning here, guys, for sure. I was learning here, and that time this school doesn't have any gate here. Look. So keep watching these videos. It's a special videos, and guys, thank you for the love and support. Thank you for the returner subscriber. I wanna appreciate on that. It's evening time, but the sun is going down that way, and then relax. When I'm young, my grandma told me when the sun sets, it's go to America that way. But I'm not sure. I'm not believe on that. It's all about might and misconception through our elderly mothers, grandma, grandpa. I don't believe on that. How can my son come from that way? And then they wanna say they come from Africa when it rise, when it set goes to America. I don't want to believe on that. I don't want to believe, because maybe it creates some story. You ate some food, you eat, and you went to the bed. Me, I'm not believe on that, for sure. How can I, my grandma knows that the sun was set and it's going to America, man, for sure, going that way. And when it's set, it goes to west. When it's rise, come from east, from my back, from here. So maybe tomorrow, guys, I wanna show you how the sun from my village set, and then rise, so I'm thinking about that. So guys, enjoy these videos, give more like, comment, share. That is the best way to support Hello Baby Official. And then guys, if you know, you know. This is Hello Baby official. Alright, man. Okay, so when I'm reached the point where I'm charging my phone, I want to show you. I don't want to fake things, and I have that guy that wear the blue shirt. So maybe when I'm reaching there, I want to show you where I'm putting my phones, I'm charging, because at home, guys, I don't have some solar panel for sure. I don't have some solar panel, so it reminds me work hard, and then I'm charging for my friends a house, some phone, you know. Even this GoPro that I'm using, I was charging there. So after this, I'm heading right there. Look at this village. You must be careful. Look at this. This is some perimeter wall here. Wow. You must be careful. Look. So, guys, I don't want to fake things. This video, it's from that family where I was celebrating myself at the barber shop. Kindly, you wanna call Megos one from Kenya. He made an amazing video. Go and check him, subscribe, and let my brother load to 1K subscribers. I wanna push it, you know. When you are really motivated or you are really mentored by somebody else, and me, I wanna do so. Why not? I wanna mentor even this guy here. So this video is from the party. It's end to the barber shop. The owner of this barber shop is this one here. Yeah, 12 people. Yes, I was charging their phones. Even my GoPro, this one that I'm using here to shoot this video, I was charging there in the morning. So my phone went off, and then guys, I'm really shocked because they don't have some solar and battery. But when I get some money, immediately I take the action, and then I buy all stuff, solar and battery, full stop. Solar and battery, full stop. When I get solar, the moment I get money, if it's small money, I will go and buy one, maybe solar or battery, because I was struggling a lot. Imagine, I was like 9 months on YouTube, and I was monetized like 3 months back. So I'm not make a lot of money. I make maybe get $0.1, $1, and me, I always thank God, because I start from grace to grace, from zero to nothing. So I'm keep going. So right there, that's Nyabohansi. I'm going to pick my stuff. The one of the barber shop is this one here. There goes one from Kenya.
I was worried from there.
So hurry up, man. I need my phone, because that's my phone that I'm using on YouTube, uploading the videos, receiving some calls. Yes, so right now I'm off because I don't have phone. Because of 1, 2, 3, you know, if you know, you know, the tingle side. I don't have solar and battery, guys. Me, I'm always, when I'm shooting the video, I'm telling you the reality. Hello Baby doesn't have solar and battery, but I'm thinking on that. So guys, this is Nyabohansi. For the new subscriber, this is one I call Nyabohansi. So guys, let's put aside the story of solar and battery. So mind on Nyabohansi village. This is what we call Nyabohansi. Look at this. And this is the tarmac road. Going down. Going down. You must be very keen. Alright. After this, you go down and then pick my stuff. So this is the market area. Although today is not a market area, but a market day, it's on Wednesday and Friday. So today it's on Saturday evening time. So I've already reached at the destination point. I want to pick my phone. Look at this. The ones that are really are developing phone. I hope you're some. This is how shops looks right here. So the barber shop is here. And then I want to pick my stuff and then finally to end my videos. And this is some barber shop. You can see, guys, it's Wasafi Classic. And then this Kinyozi. Kinyozi means barber shop. So guys, me, I'm not the guy who faking things. I'm telling you my lifestyle, how I move on. Look, and then that's how we open.
Hello, babe. How are you?
I'm good, bro. This is barber shop. So let me see my phone. When it's full, I pick it and ready to go. This barber shop, you can see this is some front mirror. So this is my phone here. It's 97, guys. So I remain like 11 minutes till full. You can see. This is my phone, guys, that I bought 2 weeks late, and it's charging. And the good thing is, or the bad thing is, this barber shop doesn't have electricity. They use battery. As you can see, they have battery. Let me show you guys. They have battery. No power. You can see, and it's connected with motor. It's working. Look. So I'm not the one who complaining about power. Even this guy here, no power in this house. They use battery. But you're lucky enough, you have battery and solar. Yes, you can shave people and get money.
Yeah.
So guys, let's end this video. Guys, I want to say thank you a million. Guys, bye bye.